Hello, ladies. Once you have decided to start a family, it's crushing when it becomes difficult. Fertility is something which often people consider when they are actively trying to have a baby, or in many cases, when they actually have trouble in conceiving. What many do not understand is couple between the age group of 29 to 33, even with normal functioning of the reproductive system, only have a chance of 20 to 25% to get pregnant in any given month. So if you think you may want to have a baby in future, you should not ignore these common signs of infertility. Number one and most common is changes in menstrual cycle. So you may have absence of period, maybe excessive bleeding than earlier, or irregular periods. So what you can do is you can track your cycle so that you can notice any changes. Number two is sudden severe acne. You may face sudden skin changes in the form of severe acne in adult life. That is one of the signs that something is wrong with your hormones. Also, severe breakout is one of the signs of PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. Number three is painful periods, in which we are not talking about the normal cramping which is usually associated with periods, but often severe pain which will stop you from doing your normal activities and often associated with nausea and vomitings. Alone, this pain is not a sign of infertility, but if it is associated with other symptoms like irregular menses, painful intercourse, blood in urine, painful bowel movements, then you can think about something called as endometriosis. Endometriosis is responsible for almost 20 to 40% of infertility. Number 4 is excessive hair growth or excessive hair loss. PCOS, which I said earlier, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome, it not only causes small cyst formation on the surface of ovary, but it also causes excessive production of male hormone in females. If you notice excessive hair growth on your face, on your chest or back, you should not ignore this. That could be a sign of infertility. On the flip side, if you face excessive hair loss or thinning of hair, you should not ignore the other causes of infertility like anemia, thyroid issues, and other autoimmune disorders. Number 5 is sudden unexplained weight gain, which is not associated with any change in your diet pattern or your physical activity. Weight gain is one of the major signs of PCOS, but keep in mind that your weight gain plays a very important role in your fertility, even when a condition like PCOS is not present. So, overweight or underweight both can lead to difficulty in conceiving. So, ladies, do not ignore these common warning signs of infertility, and if you face any of them, please do not hesitate to see a fertility doctor.